How to buy Robux with CashApp. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and go to CashApp website. Now register for CashApp debit card. Once you are registered and get your card, go back to your home screen and open up Roblox application. Now tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner and go to Marketplace. Now tap on the Robux icon. Now select the purchase you want to. Now tap on Add credit or debit card. Now paste your debit card number and tap on Save. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.